In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for customer service. If you want to manage customer inquiries, track support tickets, and improve your support process, HubSpot provides all the tools you need in one place. First, log in to your HubSpot account and navigate to the Service menu at the top. From there, open the Help Desk or Tickets section. Depending on your account setup, to manage customer requests, click on a ticket to view the conversation and customer details. You can reply directly, update the ticket status, assign it to a team member, and add internal notes to keep everyone informed. You can also create new tickets manually by clicking the Create Ticket button and entering the customer's information along with the issue details. HubSpot automatically keeps all related emails, notes, and activities connected to the ticket record. For faster support, you can use automation to assign tickets, send follow-up emails, and notify team members when new requests arrive. You can also create a knowledge base with answers to common questions so customers can find help on their own. By using these customer service tools, you can organize support requests, respond more efficiently, and provide a better experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.